TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Friday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day, and we got markets in positive territory, but off of the highs we had overnight. Right now, S&P is positive by 63 points, trading at 2850. We had been 35 points higher, though, last night. We get news that Gilead, they may have some success with treatment, one of their clinical phase 3 trials for a treatment for coronavirus, doing well. We'll jump into that story in a moment, but you see all the markets trading higher on that news after the bell last night. S&P's reached a high of 2885, currently trading at 2850. You get the NASDAQ up 87 points, trading at 8822. Interesting tidbit, NASDAQ now in positive territory for the calendar year 2020. Pretty remarkable with everything we have going on. You get the Dow up 570 points, 23,977. Boeing getting quite a pop this morning. Boeing up 12.7% right now, or $17 from about 135 up to almost 152. That putting a bid in the Dow for sure. Jumping over to the charts, we'll start things off with the Dow. 23,982. We were as high as about 24,322. So you're talking about 350 points from the high last night. You see where the acceleration began last night at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, trading at 23,400. In the span of about a few hours, you trade up 900 Dow points. S&Ps, we close out yesterday at about 2787. You spike almost 90 S&P points to 2884. We're also at that level just at about 1:30 a.m. And as I mentioned, we're about 35 points off the high. There's your 930 volatility, making a low of 2838 in the S&Ps. NASDAQ 100, 8821, almost made it as high as 9,000 overnight. Crude oil, how about a 17 handle for the price of May crude? Crude getting down to a low of 17.31. Remarkable price. And with that, we're back above 18 at 18.14. There's your gold contract, pulling back a bit, was under 1,700 briefly, currently trading at 17.13, and we got the euro US dollar at 108.78. I mentioned Gilead, I mentioned the story, GILD. Check out the pop in that stock last night, pairing some of the gains, though, still up about 9%. Stay tuned, folks. We got come back 10 o'clock with Tom. Fast Market at 11 by Kevin Hinks, Alex Coffey, TD Ameritrade Network, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all today, Friday action. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.